Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to this Scroll and Profit review. This goes live today, 9th of October by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. This is a cloud-based software. This is my bonus page. You'll find the link to this page in the description of this video. Scroll and Profit is a software that actually attempts to solve all the problems that has got to do with making money online. So it actually puts together a bunch of tools in one place and then allows you to actually profit using all these tools. You get access to campaigns, you get access to products from ClickBank, from Warrior Plus, from JVZoo, right inside the dashboard that you can actually pick from. You also get access to instant traffic. You get access to a Facebook auto poster that allows you to drive traffic from Facebook. You can post, you can schedule your post to Facebook, and not only that, you get access to traffic from a bunch of other traffic sources, WhatsApp, you name it. You get access to this traffic from other social media platforms. Now you also get access to an autoresponder software that allows you, to manage your list and also send out emails. And then so this actually comes together to form a whole box of tools for you to make money online. Now, I've actually put together some bonuses to ensure you get the best results with Scroll and Profit. Now, ultimately, if you are going to make money online, I'll need to let you know this. You are going to need some traffic of some sort in order to make some money online, especially when you are talking about affiliate marketing, which is one simple way to make money online, because you don't need to create your own product. Product creation is not involved. You don't need, to, create your own, you don't need to rent an apartment or something like that. You don't need to have a physical store to basically profit online. And not to forget also, Scroll and Profit even gives you access to create your own e-commerce store also, which is pretty good. All these tools put together in one place for you, and this actually makes it easy for you to start making money online, even as a newbie. So I'm going to go through my bonuses right now, and then I'm going to let you see how Scroll and Profit works. So my first bonus attempts to send you unlimited traffic. Now, you don't need to create any content, you don't need to create any videos. This is a software that allows you to use other people's video to drive a ton of traffic. Now, you are going to be able to put your own links. You are going to be able to put images, put done for you, call to action buttons inside the software also, or add images, and then you are going to be able to link this out to any offer, link this out to basically any URL you want to send people to. Now, this works in any niche, and this actually is proven to get you some conversions from completely free traffic. Also, bonus number 2, of course, this is a limited time offer because I'm giving you access to a responsive 800 plus list of subscribers that you can actually grab, plus autoresponder software, and you can actually start driving traffic instantly. And this actually is proven to give you conversion into sales. Also, bonus number 3, you're going to be getting access to the full funnel of Octagon, which is a software that gives you access to done for you ClickBank and Warrior Plus product reviews. Now, you're going to be getting access to all the upgrades. In fact, one of the upgrades give you access to own the Octagon software itself. You get to rebrand it, change the logo, give it your own name, upload this on your own hosting, which is practically cool. And you can decide to launch this as your own software, or even give this out as a bonus if you want. Also, bonus number 4, you're going to be getting access to another software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic from Quora. Quora is a place where people come and ask questions on basically anything in all niches. And this software also allows you to drive traffic in every niche. And this is free traffic you don't have to pay for. And this is also proven to get you conversions into sales pretty easily. Also, bonus number 5, you're going to be getting access to up to 4,000 plus images and quotes ready for you, ready to go on any social media platform. Now, you're going to be getting access to auto poster inside Scroll and Profit that allows you to schedule this. You can actually schedule traffic for the whole year with the resources you're going to be getting in this bonus number 5. And then all you need to do is slap in your affiliate links with all these done for you images and codes, and let this start going out to fetch you some high quality traffic. This is actually proven to do very well. People easily relate to this post, and they also always want to see what's going on with these images. Now, also bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also, in addition to my own bonuses. And what you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this page. And if you do that, it's going to take you to the sales page of Scroll and Profit. This is where you're going to be able to pick up Scroll and Profit, and where you're going to be getting full information about this cloud-based software. So here it says the world's first pay-to-scroll system that pays us for scrolling through our mobile phones. Now, everything here you can basically do on your mobile phone, which is pretty cool. Revealed $337 billion in loophole pays me $67.39 per hour just scrolling through the internet. So feel free, come check this out in your own time. This is put together by Mosh. Come check this out in your own time to get full information about Scroll and Profit. And then I'm going to let you see how this works in a short while, but just to let you know, there's a full demo right here also on this bonus page. The front end goes for a one-time fee of 22, but you can actually through the exit pop-up, I believe you'll be able to pick that up for only $19. Now, there are some optional upgrades also that come with Scroll and Profit, but even if all you get is just the front end, you still get access to all my bonuses. So that's going to be my review for Scroll and Profit. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Scroll and Profit demo video, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick overview of this application. And you can see the login page here, so we need to log in first, and let's see how it works and what's in the inside. So you can see that we have successfully logged into our Scroll and Profit account, and this is the dashboard here. So basically Scroll and Profit is a multi-channel affiliate marketing page builder application that will help you to make money online very easy, and it's a user-friendly application. So you can make money just by following 3 simple steps. First, you just need to choose a hot notch offer from the affiliate marketplace like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBanks. And then you just need to create your own pages. So you can build your page, you can customize them. So you can create landing pages, opt-in pages, thank you pages, and many others. After creating your pages, you can sort your page link from the link blocking section, and then the import accounts will help you to import your social media accounts with this application. After that, you can post to your offers in different social media platforms, like you can share it to your Facebook account. So from the Facebook section, you can see that the Facebook poster section and comment growth tool section. So the Facebook poster section will help you to create multiple Facebook posts, and the comment growth tools will help you to monitoring your comment and the reply. And the social blast section will help you to share your offers to different social media platforms. So you can use all of this from here. And after that, the automated blog section will help you to post blog to your website directly from here. So you can create blog post from here, and the meta tags will help you to analyze the keyword or tags for your blog. And after that, you can see that the Messenger WooCommerce section. So this section will help you to create plugins for your Messenger WooCommerce feature in your website. You can create it from the create plugin button. And after that, you can see the DeFi ecom store. So from here you can create your DeFi ecom store very easily. And after that, you can see that the email marketing feature. So this will help you to create campaign for your email marketing. So you just need to click on action, and you just need to set up the API. And the SMS marketing will work as same as the email marketing. You just need to set up the APIs. And last but not the least is offer comparison section. So here you can compare your two offers, or you can compare your offers with other vendors offer. So this is how the scroll and profit will work for you. So you can make money online very easily by using this application. And you just need to follow 3 steps. So first you have to select a hot notch offer, and then you have to build your own pages, and then you have to share it to the different social media platforms so that you can get traffic. And this is how it will help you to make money online. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.